Right. Next one topic is hydrolysis of anhydride. So here adding of water molecule to the anhydride. Next one, ammonolysis of anhydride. So we are adding of ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine. Okay. So we are adding of amine with the anhydride. Here adding of water molecule to the anhydride. So let us go. First of all, look at here. When amides are hydrolysis, this when amides are hydrolysis. So first of all, anhydride, no, sorry, not amide, anhydride. CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, Cl, CH3. This is the acetic anhydride. When acetic anhydride on hydrolysis, when you are adding of water molecule to that, now look at here. Here formation of carboxylic acids. What will we get here? 2 moles of carboxylic acid we get from that hydrolysis. So how we get? Look at here. Now I go to the mechanism. See, first of all, I write the acetic anhydride. This is the acetic anhydride. Okay, clear. C double bond O. Okay, CH3. In between the these two CH3 oxygen there. Right. I'm adding of water molecule to that as oxygen. They consist lone pair of electron too. Right now here, these lone pair of electron, for example, this electron shifting to oxygen side. Now these two electron coming to the carbon. So finally, what it is forming here? Look at now see CH3 C double bond O, right? O CO minus. And next one CH3. Here oxygen. I am writing separately one hydrogen. Here plus oxygen. Okay, clear? Now here these electrons shifting to the oxygen side. So here remove H plus ion, right? Once these electrons shifting to inside, this one going to the outside. So this O minus, this H plus, CH3COO minus this H plus forming CH3 C double bond O OH. When acetic acid is removed there, and once again look at here to see another mole of acetic acid remove here, CH3 C double bond O OH, CH3 C double bond O OH. So we get 2 moles of carboxylic acid when on hydrolysis of acetic anhydride or whatever that anhydride. When involved in the hydrolysis, we get the carboxylic acid. Clear? Right. Now next one. Yeah. Ammonolysis of anhydride. So the second one, this one. So see here, I'm take the anhydride. For example, this is the acetic anhydride. Yes, this is the acetic anhydride. When going to on ammonolysis means we are adding of ammonia, right? When you are adding of ammonia to that, we get the amide, and also ammonium carboxylate ion. We get ammonium carboxylate ion. So when you going on ammonolysis of this acetic anhydride, whatever that anhydride, when on ammonolysis, the formation of amide, this is the acetamide. This is the acetamide. So on ammonolysis, now anhydrates are giving acetamide, which giving that one acetamide is given by the anhydrates. So how it is giving? I go to the mechanism. Look at here. Right, I'm take the, this is the CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. This is the acetic anhydride. I am adding ammonia. Right? We know that already that nitrogen consists lone pair of electron. For example, these electrons shifting to oxygen side. Here carbon getting positive. So here bonding with the carbon of that ammonia. Right, remain what is there here? CH3, C double bond O. After that adding of ammonia, C, CO minus. Here is the, I'm writing it is the CH3. Right, next one here is I'm write the NH2. I'm writing one hydrogen separately. N is getting positive because why? Because the nitrogen atom given lone pair of electron to the positive of the carbon. So in between the nitrogen and hydrogen bond, these electrons shifting to the nitrogen side. Once these electron coming to the inside, now these electrons shifting to the oxygen side. So finally look at here. Here removal CH3CO O minus, and here is the H plus. Here from the H plus, and in that ammonia is there. Yes or no? Ammonia also there. So that ammonia bonding with the H plus, formation of NH4. This is NH4. Right. Finally, CH3COO minus this H plus and this one NH3 bonding that one. What is formation? CH3 C double bond O minus NH4 plus. This is the, what is that name? What is that name? Ammonium carboxylate. Right. This is the second component. That first component, what we get from that ammonolysis of anhydride acetamide, means amides are we get from the anhydride when on ammonolysis. So look at there, CH3 C double bond O NH2. So I write here CH3 C double bond O NH2. NH2. This is the amide. That name is already written there, amide. So finally we get here in this ammonolysis of anhydride. So when you are adding of ammonia into the anhydride, we get the amides only. Okay, clear? This is the ammonolysis of anhydride. This is the ammonolysis of anhydride. Finally, when on ammonolysis of anhydride to give amides and ammonium carboxylate ion, salt that one.